Hey guys, Jules from Sprint Booster USA here. Today, we're going to be doing a very fun install on this 2012 Lamborghini Gallardo. Sprint Booster is the world's premier and original electronic throttle body controller. Modern cars today do not come with a throttle cable, but rather an electronic throttle body. The issue is that you don't get a very direct correlation between the control of the throttle pedal and the throttle body itself. In order to achieve closer to a 1-to-1 ratio between pedal and throttle, the Sprint Booster allows you complete control. With over 36 levels of adjustment, the Sprint Booster allows you complete control over your vehicle's throttle pedal. So the first step with any install is to open the driver's side door and take the key fob at least 20 feet away, wait for about 15 minutes. This allows the vehicle's CAN bus to reset or go to sleep. Now that the vehicle is ready to accept the Sprint Booster into the system, let's get into the install. The first step is to remove the vehicle's harness from the throttle pedal itself. Now that we have the rubber grommet exposing the clip, we're able to actually remove the harness from the throttle pedal itself. Unlike most clips, you do have to press down on this one while pulling out. Now that you have the harness removed from the throttle pedal itself, it's time to install the Sprint Booster. Before we install the Sprint Booster, we have to first install the selection switch. Simply take the white clip on the selector switch and press it into the side of the Sprint Booster unit. Remember to press until it clicks. Since this is almost a full race car filled with Alcantara, we decided to mount the Sprint Booster throttle selector switch on the side of the steering column cover, just below the ignition key. Don't forget, as always, to select between the manual or the automatic switch on the side of the selector switch unit itself. In this instance, of course, we are going with automatic transmission. This part is a little tricky. You have to press the white clip back down into the clip off of the harness from the vehicle before installing the harness into the Sprint Booster unit itself. You'll know you've done this right if you've pressed the harness into the Sprint Booster and the white clip pops back upwards. That concludes the install of the Sprint Booster on this 2012 Lamborghini Gallardo. For other vehicles that you guys would like to see, leave us a comment below or send us an email to info@sprintboosterusa.com.